Okay, so we are about to start day two, and I'm just going to take a look at what is happening here right now, uh, just to make sure, because yesterday when I put up uh, Advent of Code, it turns out that I have um, uploaded something in a much lower resolution. So instead of 720p, it came out totally something else. I don't know why. But anyway, so now we're just taking a look at. I'm hoping that this is not seven. This is not 360 resolution. I'm hoping that this is 720. So I just need to see. I just need to see what it looks like. Unfortunately, it seems that I can't find my stream. Why can't I find my stream? Anyway, so while I'm looking for my stream right now, let me just turn that off. Yeah, so let's just turn that off for a bit while I am fixing stuff. Well, right now, okay, so right now, what's happening right now is we are going to go through day two. Okay, we're gonna go through day two, and that being said, we are also going to try to do day two. Yeah, I already said that. But yeah, we're going to try to go through day two. My browser can't play the video. Why? Are you telling me that I have to go through Facebook just to be able to... Wait, I have to go through what? Wait, copy. I don't know why I can't watch it here. So we're going to go through day two while MasterChef Australia episode whatever is playing in the background here. My browser can't play the video and I don't know why. Okay, so that means I have to open it up in Firefox just so I can see if it is working properly. Yeah, and there goes my my phone keeps ringing, but let me just check something out. So I can see if it is. Okay, I was finally able to take a look at it. It is running at least 720p, and that is good. I am good with that. So let's go back to Advent of Code. We are game, we are ready, and MasterChef, the episode for MasterChef has started, and we are going to start with day two. All right. So, what does day two look like? Here we go. Rock, paper, scissors. The elves begin to set up camp on the beach to decide whose tent gets to be closest to the snack storage. A giant rock, paper, scissors tournament is already in progress. Rock, paper, scissors is a game between two players. Each game contains many rounds. In each round, the players each simultaneously choose one of rock, paper, or scissors using a handshake. Then a winner for that round is selected. Rock defeats scissors, scissors defeats paper, and paper defeats rock, of course. If both players choose the same shape, the round instead ends in a draw. Appreciative of your help yesterday, One Elf gives you an encrypted strategy guide or your puzzle input that they say will be sure to help you win. The first column is what your opponent is going to play: A for rock, B for paper, C for scissors. The second column, suddenly the elf is called away to help with someone's tent. The second column, you reason, must be what you should play in response: X for rock, Y for paper, Z for scissors. Winning every time would be suspicious, so the responses must have been carefully chosen. The winner of the whole tournament is the player with the highest score. Your total score is the sum of your scores for each round. The score for a single round is the score for the shape you selected: 1 for rock, 2 for paper, and 3 for scissors, plus the score for the outcome of the round: 0 if you lost, 3 if the round was a draw, 6 if you won. Since you can't be sure if the elf is trying to help you or trick you, you should calculate the score you would get if you were able to follow a strategy guide. For example, suppose you were given the following strategy guide: A, Y, B, X, C, Z. This strategy guide predicts and recommends the following. In the first round, your opponent will choose rock, A, and you should choose paper, Y. This ends in a win for you with a score of 8. 2 because you choose paper, and 6 because you won. In the second round, your opponent will choose B, paper, and you should choose rock, X. This ends in a loss for you with a score of 1. 1 plus 0. The third round is a draw with both players choosing scissors, giving you a score of 3 plus 3 equals 6. In this example, if you were to follow the strategy guide, you would get a total score of 15. What would your total score be if everything goes exactly according to your strategy guide? To begin, get your puzzle input. Alright, so let me have day 2 here. So day 1 is done. Let's have a new folder. Day 2. Let's have our test. Oops, that's for day 1. Let's have our test. New file, test.txt. And let's have another file, input.txt. Alright, so test.txt, Sublime Text. Oops, sorry, not Sublime Text, but Opera. So for the test, that's A, Y, B, X, and whatever. Da 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 da. So this is my test. And for input, ooh, that's a lot. So for input, we have this, 2,500 records. Wonderful. So let's have a new file called main.java. There we go. So I have my main method. Okay. So I still have my reader, but I will have to fix this. Yeah, I'm going to have to fix this. So let's just have another reader here, new file, reader.java. wherein I will extend util.reader and I will have to override never mind. Nah, okay. So at override so yeah, I'm going to copy that. Hey, what the heck? What the heck? No, that's not what I wanted to do. I'm going to override this. Okay, I'm going to override you. Okay, so I'm going to override you. I'm going to need this. Oops, sorry. I'm going to need you. Whoa! Import list. Okay. So yeah, I am going to override this because what I need to do is I need to get the details and then I get all the lines and then I have to split it again. Oh, wait. That means I have to change something. You know what? No, I am not going to extend you. I'm not going to override. Yeah. Extends but not override. But still extends. Because I'm going to still need that. But instead of returning a string, I will need to return something else. So let's do this first, okay? I will first create a list of string input file name. Okay, so it still extends. Input, no. Equals this dot get input file name. Whoops, hey, what the heck? Okay, I got my input. Then I have to split my input into two. Let's have, what's the name again? Strategy. Okay, I shall name you as strategy. New file. Strategy dot Java. So yeah, strategy.java, wherein one side is opponent versus you. Get opponent, get you. Wait. Um, Fine. Okay. Get opponent play. Okay. String opponent play and string opponent string you play. Get my play. Right. And let me try to create now a format document with source action. Okay. Oh, there we go. Generate constructors for opponent in my play. And then generate getters and setters for all. That's what I was looking for before. And then I will try to, no, not generate tests. Is there a way to format the document? There we go. Yes, finally. Now we're cooking with gas. All right. So, um, then I will have to create a list of, so this is where I will change this to use strategy. List strategy place equals this equals array list strategy or new array list strategy, sorry. There we go. Not this, super. Haha. Okay, super. Strategy is, the return type is incompatible with reader.getInput. Okay. Get strategy input. There we go. So this should return place. Okay. Now what I need to do is I have to do a split. So let me just open up my PDF reader. Because I need to split the string. There. Java 17 string. Ah. there a way to split from here? Might not. Maybe string buffer would work better. Control F, split. Splits the string around the matches of the given expression. Yeah, I think that would work. There's your split. There's my split. Yeah, there's my split. Yeah, I think split will work properly. Okay, so for each strategy in place, nope, not strategy in place, but for each input in, for each string data in input. String, 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 items. Okay. String items equals, okay, for data input, for each data we are going to split based on a string. I hope that works. I really hope that works, because my strategy, or at least my test, everything is separated with a space. So let's see if that works. Sys out items. Out system.out items. Yeah, come on. 0 and 1. Plus. Okay. Let's just see if this runs properly, okay? Reader. Reader. Oh, come on. Reader equals new reader. Reader dot get strategy input. Fook get strategy input, and we shall name you as test.txt. Source day 02 test. Right. Surround with try catch. And let's see if that works. All right. Java C minus D bin src Java. Java minus B minus cp bin day02 dot main. Okay, that works. Yeah, that works. All right, I'm happy with that. I am totally happy with that because now that means I can move on and with my okay, so I've printed that out, which means now I can just use place dot add new strategy items okay. Okay, hello strategy. Could you generate a string for me? Refactor, source action, generate toString for everything. Yes, thank you. Okay, thank you. Reader.get strategy input. So let's have my list strategy of place. Equals erg. Might as well get the whole thing. Okay. So place equals okay, and then for each strategy, what does my strategy look like? Oh, it returns. Okay, so I can sys out strategy dot toString. Yeah, I just want to see that that works properly. Yay! Right, now. Okay, good. All right. So next is in the first round. Okay. So what's again? What would your total score be if everything goes exactly according to your strategy guide? In the first round, your opponent will choose rock A, and you should choose paper Y. This ends in a win for you with a score of 8. Every time I win, it's a 6, right? 0 if I lost, 3 if it's a draw, 6 if I won. Okay. I need to do an enum. Yeah, I need to do an enum. And I can't remember my enum. See, it's been that long. Okay, so let's try to do an enum here. New file. Play code. Wait, do I name it as play code? Wait, before I do anything else, I will need so there's a play code and there's a win code. Okay, there's a play code and there's a win code. Right. So let's go on with the play code first. New file. Playcode.java. Enum for play code. Right. So it's a play code, and to do that, I will need that's not how I want to do it. What I want to do is something like this. Right. So my play is I will have rock, paper, scissors. Or actually, it's going to be ABC. Right. Okay, so let's have this. So I have ABC, right? A for rock, B for paper, C for scissors. Copy. At the same time, there's also the other one. Yeah, there's actually two. The other one is also the play code for this. Copy. So there are actually two codes for one thing, rock, paper, scissors. So let's just go with that. I will have rock, paper, scissors. So enum, double mass. Okay, yeah. So rock, paper, scissors. Let's go with that first. All right. Rock, paper, scissors. Whoop, no. Okay. So semicolon to end that. So My rock, paper, scissors actually have two. Okay, so there's one for the opponent and there's one for the player. Okay, so there's one for opponent and there's one for me. Okay. Play code. Okay, play code opponent and play code mine. So I have something like this. Private final. Let's try that. Copy. So play code final opponent. Play private final and then mine. So we are having that as string and string. A X B whoa B Y and C Z. Okay. Why am I still having an error? Because I do not have a constructor for these two. Okay, so let's create my constructor. And let's also have, okay, I have my constructor. Okay, wait. Okay, and then let's have another action, and I will have my, not exactly getters and setters, but, right? No. Earth dot surface gravity ha, maybe not make it final, or maybe not make it private. Yeah, maybe not make it private. Yeah, maybe not make it private. Okay, let's see if that works. Okay, so this is what happens. Let's change this. If how do I return the enum itself? Can I return the enum itself? Okay. Right, values. For not if, but for. For each play code. Am I doing this correctly? Planet. Yeah, I'm doing that correctly. Play code. Code. For each for each code inside my play code dot values. Yay! Yeah, that works. If play code, okay, if code dot opponent equals strategy dot get opponent play sys out code dot yeah, just code, I guess. Yeah, just code. Let's see if that works. Rock, paper, scissors. Yay! It works! Alright. At least I know that works now. Alright, alright, alright. Okay. So, I'm able to get rock, paper, scissors. So that means it will also work for the other side. Okay, I mean, if I'm going to try for for my play, it will come out pretty much almost like that. And then there is, okay, the score for a single round is the score for the shape you selected. 1 for rock, 2 for paper, 3 for scissors. So I also have to add the score here to play code. Okay, so final string score. Final string, final integer score. Okay, so rock, paper, scissors, that means 1 for rock, 2 for paper, 3 for scissors. Okay. Score. So let's change this now to score. So 1 for rock. 2, 3. Oops. Format document. Save. All right. So we have that now. Yay! I'm happy with that. So I'll have another one here, another file called win.java. And this is also an enum. Okay. Since you can't be sure if the elf is trying to help you or trick you, you should calculate the score you would get if you were to follow the strategy guide. Okay. The outcome of the round. 0 if you lost, 3 if the round was a draw, 6 if you won. Copy. Okay. Okay. So I have an integer, a final integer score. Okay. Wait. Rock defeats scissors, scissors defeats paper, paper defeats rock. Okay. Rock defeats scissors, scissors defeats paper, paper defeats rock. Yeah. Rock defeats scissors, scissors defeats paper, paper defeats rock. Copy. And then lost, zero, draw, 3, lost, 0, draw, 3, 6, win. Win, 6. Okay, wait. Instead of win, let's rename this. I will refactor. No, 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 no. Control S. Score. Rename file to score. And then the source action is, let's generate you. Okay. So I just need the scores for that one, for loss, draw, or win. Do I name it a score? Okay, that should do. Right, that should do. Okay, let's go back to main. All right, all right, all right. So if okay, now the difficult part of this is, how do you know which one loses, which one wins? So I guess this goes back to here, right? Yeah, it goes back to here. We're in, or rather the play code, I guess. Okay, I think I should put this out and move it to play code. I think. Okay. So let's have final one. Final enum. Can I do that? Okay. So defeats rock, defeats scissors. It doesn't want to. Doesn't want to. Will that work? No. Will that work? No. Cannot reference a field before it was defined. So I will have to do, yeah. Okay. Defeats Z. B defeats paper, defeats rock, defeats scissors. Scissors defeats paper. Scissors defeats paper, and paper defeats rock. Okay. Now the reason why I'm doing this is because I just need to make sure that I defeat someone, right? Yeah, I just need to make sure that I defeat someone. Okay, that's pretty much it. Okay, wait. Uh, First day, new Enum test day. Okay, wait. Haha, this is taking a while for me. Apparently, see, I haven't done Java in a long time, and I'm not reading through everything correctly. So I need to figure out the day. That's already in the main. All right. Uh, so yeah, I need that one. I need something like this. Okay. It's not exactly an enum test, but it's more like I need to figure out who I'm dealing with. So so I have an opponent. So this is what I'm gonna do. Okay. So I have now my reader, my strategy. Oh, it's 11:21. Okay. So I have my reader. I have my strategy, and I have my test. Now play, for every play I have here. Okay. So I first need to get my play. I first need to get my opponent's play versus my play. Okay. So let's have a static here. Public. Okay. Private static method. Return. I wanted to return a play code. Get play code. Yeah, get play code. Get play code string code. All right. Yeah, get play code string code. which will return the play code. So I have to go through the play code values. 4 play code values for each play code play code play code values. Okay. For each play code, if code dot string code equals play code opponent or code equals play code mine, then return play code. I am going to take care of that later on because I'm not supposed to be returning no. Okay. Okay, so play code opponent equals get play code of play code my play equals play code opponent equals get play code of the opponent and play code my play code equals get play code strategy dot get my play. This is out. Am I on the right track? Opponent dot can I do a 2-string? Can I do a 2-string? No. It's impossible to do a 2-string on play code. Okay, so okay. I can do that, right? I hope so. Rock, paper, scissors, and YXZ. Paper, rock, scissors. Is that correct? Yeah. Do I have to two string this? I don't think I need a two string. Right? I just need this. Right? Right. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Rock. So it's rock, paper, paper, rock, scissors, scissors. So I should have something like. So I need to figure out who wins. Okay. So for my play code, I need to figure out if I won or lost. Ah, fuck. Wait. All right, all right, all right. Okay, I'm just going to go on a 5-minute break first, and then we'll come back because I can't think right now. So 5-minute break, we'll come back, and then let's go through this again. Okay, and we are back. Let's go back here. Whew. All right, let's review on what we've done so far. Okay. Did I? Yeah. All right. So let's review what we've done so far. Okay. So I got my play code, and I do have my play codes here, and I actually have here inside my play code who it defeats. So rock defeats paper, or sorry, rock, paper. Paper is okay. Rock defeats scissors. Paper defeats rock. So I could go either of two ways. I could see if but then I'm using Z, X, and Y. Okay. Rock defeats. Okay, rock defeats scissors. Paper defeats. Okay. So I'm going to choose, rock defeats whatever. Okay. Maybe I don't need the mine. I'll clean it up later. But I think now I've got a better idea on what happens. Um, it's not important at this point in time to know what's mine. To know that mine is rock, or mine is paper, or mine is scissors, in the sense of enum. I just need to know if rock defeats my value. That's all I need to know. Does the rock defeat my value? So let's just remove. So all I need is actually the opponent. What did the opponent play? Yeah, all I need right now is to figure out what the opponent played. All right? The target is I need to find out the total score. So 8, 1, 6 comes out 15. So I need to get my total score. Okay? I get the score whatever happens because of. Oh, right. So yeah, I do really need mine then. Because mine has the score. Okay. So let's change this to opponent play. Versus my play. So integer total score for now equals 0. Okay. So first of all, when I play, for every strategy, we get the score at once. So in my case, I get my play. Okay. And I immediately add that to my total score. Total score dot total score plus equals whoops, sorry. Total score plus equals plus equals my play dot score, right? There. So I have that in my total score now because whatever happens, I have a score. And then I figure out if my play is equal to, so yeah. Do I have a switch here for that? Can I do a switch? Switch. Opponent play. Case. Okay, so let's do this. So case for play code, rock, paper, scissors. Right. Rock. Whoa, sorry. Rock, paper, scissors. Paper, scissors. Format document. Okay. So if the opponent plays rock, if if my play dot equals rock defeats scissors. Wait, I might not need defeats. Yeah, I might not need defeats. Brute force. Haha. Yeah, I'm sorry. Brute force. Okay. If my play equals scissors, rock defeats scissors. If this is just gonna be a test. Paper defeats. If my play equals paper defeats rock. Scissors. Okay. Rock defeat Rock defeats scissors. Paper defeats rock. Paper defeats rock. I am rock and he is rock. Paper. I am paper. He is paper. I am rock. Okay. It's a draw. I am paper. He is rock. I am paper. Okay. It's a draw. Okay. If my play equals rock, then it's a draw. Else, if my play is out, I won. Hmm. if my opponent play is equal to my play, maybe I don't need a switch. Yeah, maybe I don't need a switch. I just need the if statement. Yeah. Why did I need a switch? Okay, so let's have this. Okay, so let's have this. Oops, sorry. Okay. If we are the same, if opponent play is equal to my play, okay. If opponent play is equal to my play, then it's a draw. If opponent play defeats me, if opponent play defeats my play, then I lost. So that's pretty much it, right? Yeah, that should work. That should work. So this is rock. Yeah, let's see. I won, I lost, it's a draw. Woohoo! Okay, that is good. That's good, that's good, that's good, that's good. This is out. Total score. Okay, I just needed a drink. Okay, so since it's a draw, okay, you become my comments now. Okay, all right. So if it's a draw, then my total score is plus is plus equals score dot draw. Draw dot score. Total score. Okay, I think I'm doing well now. So draw win, lost. Oh, draw, lost, win. So up 15. That was right, 15. Okay. So let's now use the input. $13,526. Okay. 13,526. 13,526. 13,526. Yay! 1 gold star. And there is a part 2. The elf finishes helping with the tent and sneaks back over to you. Anyway, the second column says how the round needs to end. X means you need to lose. Y means you need to... What? Y means you need to end the round in a draw. And Z means you need to win. Good luck. Grrr. The total score is still calculated in the same way, but now you need to figure out what shape to choose so the round ends as indicated. The example now goes like this. If the first round, in the first round, your opponent will choose rock A. You need the round to end in a draw. So you also choose rock. This gives you a score of 1 plus 3 plus 4. Okay. So, ah, so this is part 1. Okay, so it's still the same, but okay, wait. It's practically the same thing. The the okay, wait. Oh wait. Someone just messaged me. I don't know who. Just need to figure out who first. Okay, I've been sent a photo by my. Oh, okay. Okay, that's cool. All right, so let's go back to this one. Gosh, it's 12:02, but this should be much faster, hopefully. So it's still the same data. It's the same data. I'm not going to change the enum that I created, but the translation of the data is different now. So um, uh, the total score is still calculated in the same way, but now you need to figure out what shape to choose so the round ends as indicated. The example now goes like this. Uh, if the if the opponent chose A, then I need to end the round in a draw. I have to add something to the win. Okay, So let's add something to the win because this is important. The y, the x. Okay, so x means you need to lose, y means you need to end the round in a draw, and z means you need to win. Okay, so let's go back to the score. So this is new. So x means I need to lose. So I need to add a code for the score. Okay, final string code. So x means I need to lose. Let me just change this now to use. I need to generate my constructors for code and score. So this is now, so x means I need to lose, y means I need to end in a draw, and z means I need to win. Okay, so I have that.
Right.
So in the first round, when the opponent chooses A, I need to choose A. If the opponent chooses B, and if the opponent chooses A and it has to end in a draw, then I need to choose rock as well. Okay? So in the first round, if the opponent chooses A, right, okay. X means you need to lose. All right? Okay. Okay, so I can go back to there. Okay. Okay, wait. Let me do that again. In the first round, if the opponent chooses rock A and you need the round to end in a draw, then you also choose rock. This gives you a score of 1 plus 3 equals 4. Okay? So it's almost the same thing really, except that, yeah. Okay, so for now, what I'm going to do is I am going to get all of this. Refactor as a method. Run part 1. Okay, so that's part 1. I think I should remove you. Let's make sure that this still runs properly. Okay, it still runs properly. Right. So let's go for part 2 now. So for part 2, um, so we go back to text. We go about to a test, okay? We go back to the test. We've already done part 1. We're good with that. So now we're going to try for part 2. I'm still trying to wrap my head around it though. Okay, X means you need to lose. Y means you need to. Okay. Copy. Don't know why I'm having trouble. Maybe it's another one of those, yeah. It's most likely an ADHD thing again, but okay. Anyway, the second column says how the round needs to end. X means you need to lose. Y means you need to end the round in a draw. And Z means you need to win. Good luck. Okay. Again, I need a for loop. So we start again with a total score. Okay, we need a total score of 0, and this is for part 2 now. Get the play codes again. We've done that. Yeah. Let me just mute this first. So get the play codes first. Okay. Okay. Wait. Wait. So, I get my play codes first. And there's still that score. Okay, I still have to figure out what my score is. Oh, wait, no. I don't. No. This is different now. This is a whole new ball game. I still need to get the play codes for I get the opponent play code. So I still get the play. I need to get the play code. Strategy, get play code. Oh, wait. I already have my strategy. So there's my strategy. Opponent play versus my play. But it's no longer my play. Right? That's no longer my play. I have my play. So I have my play now. Okay. So I have my play now. I have my play now. My play consists of the strategy. My play consists of the opponent play and what my play is supposed to be. Okay? So, okay. Ah, so this is my part one. If it's a draw, score.code. Anyway, the second column says how the round needs to end. The round needs to end in. Okay, there has to be an if statement here in the enum, right? Enum test. Okay. Public score get score based on code, string code. Okay. If let's have switch. Switch for the code. So this is X, Y, whoops, sorry, Y, Z, return lost, return draw, return win, default, return null. It's not supposed to happen like that, but I will do it like that instead. Okay, so I need to get the score, because right, it's still the same scoring, right? It's still the same scoring. Okay. Where am I? There we go. If score equals score dot get score based on play dot get my play. Arc? No? Cannot make a static reference. What? No, it cannot make a static reference. What if what? Wait, no, why? No? Wait. Oh no, I can't. Oh, shoot. Wait. No, 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 no. This is not gonna work. Wait, that's not gonna work at all. Okay, wait. The strategy here is going to be this. Now, first I need to find out what the strategy is. X means you need to lose. Y means you need to end the round in a draw. So, for each score score 2, for each score value. Oh my god. For each score value in score values, if if score value dot code equals play dot get my play, then oops, sorry. Then score is equal to score value. Okay, I have my score value now. And break. I don't need to go to everything. It's just going to be one. All right. XYZ. So, first figure out what is the value. All right. So now, how it needs to end. So, switch. So now we switch between the score value. Now we switch between the scores. So my values here are win, lose, and draw. God damn it. Why did I say draw? Lost. It should be It's usually win, lose, and draw, right? Okay. Format. Hey. Format document. What? Are you kidding me? Okay. All right. So, what did it say? Anyway, the second column says how the round needs to end. X means you need to lose. Y means you need to end the round in a draw. And Z means you need to win. Good luck. Okay, let me look at that again. So in the first round, um, I have to choose a rock, in which case my score now is 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 1 plus 6 equals 7. Okay. In the first round, your opponent will choose rock A. So I need to choose A as well. Rock and rock, because it's supposed to end in a draw, right? I won, I lost, it's a draw. Right? Wait, what's my test? YXZ. So, XYZ. It's XYZ. So, I lost. So, I need to use. Okay. Play code. Where's the Where's the error? Oh, where's the error? Okay, let me just comment you out first. My God! Okay, wait. I am getting confused now. Wait. Ah, okay. Let me go back to you first. I am not liking this. So, rename symbol to lose. Okay. Play code. Rename this. Rename the symbol to lose value. Let's add a win value, and let's have a draw value. So let's generate my constructor to have all that. So for my rock, lose, win, actually it should be win lose, just win lose. Doesn't have to be a draw value, but it needs a win value. Needs a win value. I don't need the draw value. So let us again generate getters. No, constructors. Z, Y, X, C, and Y, X. Okay. A rock defeats scissors. Okay. Rock defeats scissors. Okay. Rock defeats scissors. Paper defeats rock. Paper defeats rock. And scissors defeat paper. Rock loses to paper. Paper loses to what? Why C? Z. Okay, good. All right, so we have that. So we can still use the same one, actually. We can use the same one. We're in, there's just a bit of change in how it's all fixed. Or this is just so the part one can still run properly. Okay, wait. Is this how I want it to run? Or let me just see what happens if I use, instead of string, I use the play code as well. I am making myself... Okay. Wait. Urgh. So, okay. Scissors. Scissors defeat paper. Paper is Y. Scissors lose to rock. Rock is X. Okay. This is supposed to be Z. Okay. ZXY, YZX. X, Z, Y, Y, X, Z, Z, Y, X. All right. I'm going to leave it as that. Okay. So let's go back to this one. This is taking a while for me to finish. Why is it taking so long for me to finish? I do not know. I don't know why it's taking me so long. It's not supposed to. Okay. Let us start from the very beginning. Okay. Let me remove all of you first. Okay. Now, I have my place, and once I've had my place, I will now start to get the total score. Okay. Now, for every play, the second column says how the round needs to end. X means I need to lose. Y means I need to end the round in a draw. And Z means you need to win. Okay. Now, at the same time, so if I end in a draw, I also choose rock. Draw is still 3. And rock is still... Draw is still 3. And... Yeah, draw is still 3. And rock is still 1. So there's still that. There's still that play. Okay? But now I need to figure out who's winning. Okay? So I first need to figure out now, instead, I first need to figure out what my score is going to be. Okay? If score value dot code equals... So if the score value code... Okay, wait, no. So I need to go through my scores first, right? So I have my score and my play code. Strategy is no longer needed. Okay. So first of all, so everything is inverted now. So for the earlier with part 1, I had to get what I played first, add that, and then figure out if I won. But in part 2, it's different. I need to figure out first if I should win. Okay, so So first I need to figure out if I should win. Win, lose, or draw. Okay? So that's the first one. Win, lose, or draw. Okay, figure it out first. Which means I need to get the score value from my score. Okay. So if the value I'm looking at is equal to what is in my play, then my score is equal to score value. Okay. Maybe instead of score value, I should say end result. Yeah. So that it'll be easier for me to read. Okay, once I get my end result, figure out the end result of round. Win, lose, or draw. Okay. So once I have my end result, I can add that end result now. Tooltip Manager, total score. I can add that end result now to right? Equals null. Okay. So I have my end result now. And so from end result, get play. So now I switch my end result depending on if it's win, lose, or draw. Okay. So it's based on what's there. So if I win, let's have my value here. String. Then I still need to get the play code. Yeah, the play code will still work. String play code string code equals Okay, no, not equals. That's it. Okay, if the code, if it is a win, then play code is equal to play, no, not play, play, yeah, play dot get, whoa, play code. Let me get, let me generate all the getters. Okay, let's have that. Play dot get, huh? Wait, that's play code. But that's play code. Mm. Okay, wait. I think I ran into something here. What is strategy again? Opponent play and my play. Crapola. Okay. Cancel. Mm. Okay. Rename symbol to. Okay, wait. Escape. Change all occurrences. Okay. No, just rename symbol. Rename symbol to strategy. Okay. So this is X, Y, Z. And this is A, B, C. Right? No. That is, I think, wrong. It's the other way around. This is XYZ, and this is ABC. Ah. Okay. I am having trouble with this keyboard. I need to type as fast as possible, so let me just, because I need to type as possible, and it's not, and using my new keyboard doesn't allow me to do that. So here I am. Okay. Okay, this will be much faster for me now, hopefully, in typing. Okay. So X means you need to lose, Y means you need to win. Okay, ta, ta. X means you need to lose. Y means you need to win. What the heck? Come on. Y means you need to end the round in a draw. And Z means you need to win. Okay, so the second column says how the round needs to end. X means you need to lose. Set the total score first to 0, then get the strategy from the plays. Okay, so get the strategy from the plays. First, figure out the end result, whether it's going to be a win, a lose, or a draw. Okay. So with the end result, get the score value and get from the enumeration of scores. Okay, from the enumeration of scores, figure out the score value. Okay, and then get the score from that end result. Then from the end result, so let's do that again. It's a draw. I lost. I won. It's a draw. I lost. I won. It's a win. It's a lose. It's a draw. It's a win, it's a lose, it's a draw. And I am taking too long to do this. Yeah, I am really taking too long to do this. I think I made this more complicated than it is. But for now, I'm just going to get this just so I'm going to do this just so I can just okay. It's a draw, it's a low, it's a lose, it's a win. That was the original, right? I see the test. Okay, wait. The score. It's a draw. Wait. YXZ. YXZ. So it's draw, lose, win. Draw, lose, win. Okay, good. If I lose, if it's a draw, it's 3. If it's a lose, and then there's a 9. So, almost there. Almost there. If it's a win, then yeah. If it's a win, then total score okay. If it's a win, if it's a lose, if it's a draw. So if it's a win, I need to figure out first what is the play code of my opponent. Yeah, I need to figure out first the play code of my opponent. If it's a win, I need to figure out first the play code of my opponent. In fact, in any case, I still need to figure out the play code of my opponent. Right? Whatever happens, I need to figure out the play code of my opponent. And oh no, am I losing connection again? I hope not. Okay. So opponent play dot win value I don't need that. I don't need my getters and setters now. Yeah, I don't need you. Yeah. Play code my play equals null. So my play equals get play code based on the opponent win value. So system.out, it's a lose. And this is based on the lose value. then system.out, it's a draw, and based on the mine value. So total score plus equals my play dot score. Okay, let's see if that works. 15. All right. That looks nice. That looks nice. So we are bringing you out. So let's change it now to input. I am 1 day behind. $14,768. I hope that is the correct one. Oh, it's not the right answer. It's too high. It's too high? $14,768 is too high. Okay, wait. Where am I going wrong? What am I doing wrong? Okay, what am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? Uh, that is so weird. Wait, where am I going wrong? Ah, am I doing something wrong here? Let's save that and see what happens now. Am I getting the correct? Am I getting the correct data? Okay, wait. Wait. Let me just try running as well the first play. The first play is still that, right? Erg, too much. My first play is destroyed. Ha, that's not good. Because the first answer was supposed to be 13,526. Nothing was supposed to change in my first play, but apparently something has changed in my first play that would make everything suddenly go out of whack. So I have to go back and fix the first play again. Oh, shoot. All right. What happened? What changed? Okay. My first play has died. Oh, I should have put it in my GitHub first. I should have committed first. Anyway, here we go. I have to go back to fix this because it's not the same score anymore. It's not the same score anymore. It's off. So if that's off, then that means the other side is off too. So I have to change this. I have to go back and change this again. Um, okay. YXZ. YXZ. It should be draw, lose, win. Oh, that is not good. The test is not good. So X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Rock. Okay. I need paper because I'm doing this without paper. Damn it. Yeah. I've been doing this without paper and now I really need paper. Okay, here we go. A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Okay, so A, B, C, rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. X, Y, Z is also rock, paper, scissors. So draw, draw, draw. Paper, rock defeats scissors. Rock against scissors, it's a rock win. Oh, sorry, a scissors win. Okay. Rock defeats scissors, so it loses to paper but wins against scissors. Paper, scissors defeats paper. Scissors defeats paper. And then paper defeats rock. Okay. So if I am to look at the test, okay, if I'm to look at the test, AY is a lose, BX is a win, CZ is a draw. Right. AY is a lose. BX is a win. And CZ is a draw. Now, if I take a look at the scores, so this is 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. A1, okay, what I'm after here is just mine. So Y is 2, X is 1, Z is 3, and then the lose win, the LWD is I lose 0, I win 6, it's a draw 3. Okay. I lose 0, I win 6, I draw 3. 2, 7, 6, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 15. Okay. So why am I off? Why the heck am I suddenly off? Grr. I am suddenly off. Yeah, I am suddenly off when I shouldn't be off. So if I put in input, I'm suddenly off now. Something is wrong. It's 13,040 when the answer should have been 13,526. Ah, crap. I have to go back. I have to go back. I don't know what's wrong. Okay, wait. Let me go back to the beginning. Okay? Let me remove all of you first. And I know I'm going to have an error. First of all, I just need the score. Source action, generate constructors, just for the score. Yeah. I'm going to put back everything back the way it was before I did all of this stupid stuff. Okay? Okay. Before I did all this stupid stuff. Okay. Play code. I need my score. I need my lose value. And I need my mine and my opponent. Huh? So let us have let's copy this. Okay. In which case, I have my opponent, I have mine, I have the score, and I have the was it the win value or the lose value? Defeats. So this disappears. I had defeats. Formerly defeats. Fine. Okay, and now I will get the constructor. I am hating this right now. I am so hating this right now. play code. Get play code strategy, get opponent play. Rock defeats scissors, scissors defeats paper, paper defeats rock. If opponent play equals my play, huh? Okay, that was it because I accidentally changed win value, lose value to something else. So this is win value now, and this one works now. Okay, that one works now. If that one works now, then if I bring you back, okay, so this is part one. Uh, Control Shift I. Okay. So this was part one. Okay. Control Shift I. Is there a way for me to comment here without having to? I need to comment the whole thing. Yeah, I need to comment the whole thing without, you know. Oh, okay. And this is going to be part 2. Part 2. So it's now like this, I think. Should be. Where's the error? Okay. So 036. X is lose, so that's the new one. So X is lose, Y is, if I remember correctly, according to what is here, okay, in part 2, X means lose, Y means draw, Z means win. Okay. X means lose, Y means draw, Z means win. All right, that is good. X means lose, Y means draw, Z means win. X, Y, Z. Okay. Now the other one that is missing is, according to this, lose value from play code. Okay. So let me just remove this first. This is part 1. And this is part 2. Yeah, I think I've made this more complicated than it already is. But anyway, it's already here. I'm here. AX1Z, BY2X, CZ3Y. Okay, so we still have this. Which means this should have, just to make sure, a new constructor. Okay. Okay. Am I still getting the right one? 13,526, which is, and now it's 14,768. Am I getting the, was this what I had earlier? I can't remember anymore. Yeah, I can't remember anymore. Yep, it's not the right answer. It's too high. Am I using the correct data? Yeah, I'm using the correct data. It's still coming out the same way. So I am not seeing, I am missing something. Okay. According to the test, is it supposed to be? No, it's not supposed to be 15. It's supposed to be 12. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I needed that. I needed that. Fuck. Okay, I needed that. I definitely needed that one. Okay, should I go on a break? Maybe I should go on a break. Let me see first if anyone is trying to contact me. It's 1:37 now, but I think I can still manage. I just need to push until 2 p.m. or 2:30. 2:30 is fine with me. Or 3. But again, this is taking longer than it should. This is taking longer than it should. There's something here that I'm not doing correctly, that's for sure. Okay? So, let's go back to the very beginning. That's not supposed to come out like that. What's supposed to happen is, okay, I don't know where, I should print out line by line this time because it's not coming out correctly. So my input, or rather my test, is AY, BX, CZ. AY, BX, CZ. Alright? And what's supposed to happen now for 2 is, so ABC is still the same. You still get the same same one. So ABC is 1, 2, 3. And XYZ is also 1, 2, 3. Okay. Wrong, wrong, wrong. XYZ is different now. X means I need to lose. Z means, Y means I need to end in a draw. And Z means I need to win. All right. So that means in order for me to draw, I should have a value of 1 as well. In order for me to lose to B, okay, in order for me to lose to B, I need a Z, which is a 3. In order for me to have a draw with A, I need to be an X. In order for me to win against C, I need a Y. So if that is the case with LWD still at 063, 0, 6, 3. Okay. So against the first one, let's take a look at that. So against AY, the answer there should be 4. Against BX, the answer there should be 3. And against CZ, the answer there 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 15. 15? But it's supposed to be 12. Okay, there is something wrong with the way I am doing this now. Okay. In the first round, your opponent will choose rock A. You need to end in a draw. So you also have to choose a rock. In the second round, your opponent will choose B, and you choose rock, so you lose X with a score of 1 plus 0. In the second round, okay, wait. In the first round, your opponent will choose, okay, this is where I got things wrong. I wasn't reading this properly. In the first round, your opponent will choose rock A, which is correct. Okay? And then you need the round to end with a draw, which is Y. So you choose that. You need to lose. I need to lose, okay, which is 4. Okay, 1 plus 3 is 4. But the other one, that's the thing. 1 plus 0. The 1 plus 0 threw me off. And also the 1 plus 6. So where's the 1 coming from? In the second round, your opponent will choose paper. So I have to choose rock. Yeah, because it's a draw. X is supposed to be a draw. Oh, wait. X is supposed to be a draw. So in the second round, your opponent will choose paper. So you have to choose rock, which is X. Yeah, I have to choose rock, which is X. Wait, why did I do that with my... Okay. I need another piece of paper. Wait. Grr, okay. Let's go back. So, again, so this is A, B, C. A, B, C, Y, X, Z. All right. Let's go back here. So everything changes now. If I lose, so X means lose, Y means draw, and Z means win. All right. In the first round, your opponent will choose rock A. Well, now Y is actually means that it's actually a draw. X means it's a loss. Z means it's a win. Okay. In order for me to have a draw, I should also choose a rock. Okay. For BX, in order for me to lose, I should choose a rock. Paper wins against... Wait. Rock, it's a draw. Rock. It's a loss, so it has to be paper against rock. it's a win, so it has to be scissors against paper. A draw is a 3, a loss is a 0, a win is a 6. My rock is 1, my rock is 1, and then I have 2. 1, 3, 1, 0. Why? What? In the third round, I need to defeat my opponent's scissors with a rock as well. Okay. All right. So something is wrong now with how I did my So something is wrong now with, okay. I need to make sure that I don't change part 1. Okay, so play code. This is the problem. All right. If my opponent is scissors, he will lose to X. If I'm an X, okay, I have to take it from the point of view of my opponent. Yeah, the lose value and the win values are actually the point of view of the opponent, not of the, not me. It's a point of view of the opponent. Okay? So, if it's a win, if I have to win against the scissors, yeah, if I have, right. So this is actually, this is all still correct, really. Okay, this is correct, but the way I put it here is wrong. Okay. So if it's a win, if I'm supposed to win, I am supposed to see the loss value, the lose value of my opponent. If I am to win, my opponent will lose. If I am to lose, my opponent will win. Otherwise, a draw is a draw. Okay. That's pretty much it. The codes and the score were correct. It's just, I made a mistake with how I made a mistake with my logic. But the play code and the score codes are actually correct. So this is now input. $14,000. Okay, I just need to make sure. 14,204. I hope this is correct now because it's been too long. Hey, no. 14,204. 14,204. Finally. And that ends day 2. I still have to do day 3. Oh my God. This is day 3. Can still this work with my string? Wait, my reader still has a string, so it's okay. So it's just a matter of fixing that. But yeah, I am going to rest. And then I'm going to see if I can continue with day 3. So again, this has taken longer than it should. So thank you for joining me, and I'll see you again when I do day 3.